let's check out how to create an envelope using Word. So, I'm here to show you how to make an envelope in Word. Here it shows the destination and the recipient.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So let's go. Let's add an address, as if it's your home address. So that's typical. I'll create a random address. Random. I'll use it as an example. Let's put it here. Put Los Angeles. Put the SAP. Add the zip code in the bottom line. If everything is random, just put anything here. And now, let's add another random address and include the zip code. For instance, let's also place it here. Let's make a few changes to it. Let's select the font here. Put in black. Keep the same. And now let's see how to place it. Okay, and yes, I leave it in the Atari too. Let's adjust. Cut. Black? No. Let's keep it simple. Size 12. Here. Done. Now let's check his prints. Configure your printer now. Let's say I have a printer available. Here's the front and the back. How will it look? It is in the middle of the page. The display shows front and back. You can type as you need. Now it's good to go. It shows a preview of how it looks. The remitter of this natal. So here I'll click on Add to Document. I put OK. Let me zoom in now. It has already shown how the envelope was. Automatically. If you prefer, you can add the address. Let's say you frequently send out envelopes, so you can set it as a default option. And now you're all set to send your envelope just the way you want it. The address and sender information that you want to use as a default.